Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Stocks Around Us with me, Pizza. Guys, on a fine day like this one, don't you just wish that you can sit back, relax, maybe read a couple of magazines while you sip some ice-cold refreshing drink with a cool breeze? It's a perfect day. You know what? If I had a garden like this, I wouldn't need to go chill anywhere else. That's why I'm browsing through a couple of magazines for different garden ideas for my own home. And when we think about home and gardening, there is one magazine title that comes to my mind. The Baและสวน magazine, the #1 best-selling home decor magazine in Thailand. I've got a pile of these here today because the stock that we're going to explore is a stock that publishes many magazines, books, and many more. The company is Amarin Printing and Publishing Public Company Limited. For over 30 years, Amarin has been Thailand's leading magazine publisher, now publishing over 13 well-known magazines, such as บ้านและสวน Proud, สุดสัปดาห์ ชีวจิต Secret, and In Style Thai Edition, to name a few. While starting out with just magazines, they have long since added pocketbooks to their product lines, publishing several categories, from comics to inspirational books, such as famous titles by New Glom. And in addition to their publishing business, Amarin also does printing and distribution. In fact, they have one of Thailand's largest printing houses, providing a complete set of printing services. Starting from editorial, photography, page layout to plate making, book binding, packing, and delivery. As for their distribution, the company distributes over 900 titles through 600 bookstores nationwide, including the Nai-In bookstores. And being such a rich content-based business, Amarin has diversified into many relating businesses that draw from their knowledge resource pool. They produce TV programs such as Health Club and เรื่องเด็กๆ which air on Channel 7. They also have the Amarin Tour and training businesses, which offers many interesting classes from crafts to career skills development. Their event organizing division also does the annual บ้านและสวน Fair and many others. The latest addition is the Chiwajit Home Clinic and Shop, which provide customers with the Chiwajit medical practices and products for Chiwajit lifestyle. And with all their offerings, Amarin strives to deliver the total Amarin experience by enhancing quality of life among its customers. And since we're here today at the company, there is a very special guest that I would like to introduce you to. Ladies and gentlemen, คุณ Rarin Utakapan Punjarungroj. She is the CEO of Amarin. สวัสดีค่ะ คุณ Rarin.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Thank you so much for meeting with us today.
You're welcome.
You have a very beautiful company here. And what is this place?
This is Amarin Printing and Publishing company that now at here we have a printing house at the front and a publishing house here that next to the river.
Oh, I see. And what is this place that we're actually in?
Here is we call modular house, which is our new project that we launched last year. The modular house is a house that we sold for all customer. So we concern about the environmental and the time of construction. So the customer will get the house, a well-built house with a good design in a short time, around 3 to 6 months, and with the optimizing of resource.
Oh, wow, I see. It's very interesting. I would like to get back to this. But first, let's talk about your publishing business. What is the publishing industry like this year?
Publishing industry is still growing. With a magazine and also pocket books. Right now, Amarin has 13 magazine titles, local and also licensed ones like InStyle, National Geographic, and Parenting. And for the books, we publish about 600 new titles a year. And the market for pocketbook is still growing.
Right.
And I hope if there's nothing about political something problem, I think the market for both magazines and pocketbooks will grow this year.
So how much are you planning on expanding your publishing business?
For the magazines, this year we might not launch a new magazines. We emphasize on develop the existing ones and on the online side. So right now our magazines, you can read our magazines by the magazine itself as a physical, and also by the e-magazines and that we sold on the 9in application and also 9in.com and other our partner application. Also for the book, now you can read it as an online as well.
So there's a very strong trend, right, that's growing in the ebook business, and you also have a printing business as well. How do you ensure that your printing business is also sustainable in the long run with the trend of the ebooks going along?
Our printing house will emphasize on the premium books. From last year, actually, the growth is very good. It's about 20% growth for the printing house, and for this year, I think that the demand for this kind of premium books are still growing.
Very strong.
Yes, very strong. So we expand. We're gonna buy a new printing machine that subsidize the old one, so we can enhance the quality and also the time consuming. And we also invest on the machines that help to create value for the books, like hardcover or other special design for the book.
I see.
Yeah.
So, Kun Rarin ka, you have the books and magazines, publishing and everything. What sort of other businesses do you have? I know you have the tour, the training center, and the TV programs.
Let's back in 1976 that my father founded the company with a publishing house and also the printing house, and now we have reinvented ourselves to become a content business provider, not just a publishing or printing anymore. So what we do is that we optimize our rich content through other businesses like tour, like travel, training, seminar, and also creative and event that we hold like 6 remarkable fairs each year, and also we have 20-something websites right now. We also have the television business that we just launched our new satellite TV called Amarin Active TV.
So your entire channel.
Yes, in the beginning of this year, our entire channel, right? So right now is that we offer our lifestyle content that brings happiness and enhance quality of life of customers through all the platforms.
I see. And you know, because you have so many businesses, what would you say is your focus this year or in the future?
For this year and in the upcoming years, I think online and broadcast is our focus area. To say this, we don't ignore the existing ones. We still keep developing those kind of businesses, but I think that online and broadcast is a coming business for this era. Yeah.
And how much do you think it's going to contribute to your profit? How big is it?
I think what we see is that we call it print and non-print. Right now, the non-print products is around 15% revenue in the company. But I think in the next few years, it's gonna be like 20 or 25% coming. Yes.
I see. Well, thank you so much for today, Ka Kun Rarin. I learned so much from your business, and it was a pleasure meeting you. Thank you, Ka.
Thank you.
สวัสดีค่ะ Financial highlights. At the end of 2012, Amarin's revenue was about 2.1 billion baht. In 4 years, it grew by 8%. And its net profit was almost 350 million baht, growing by 16%. The net profit margin was about 16%, a growth of 8% from 2009. The ROE was about 18.3%, a growth of 12%. Amarin's PE was about 13.4. This is a growth of 7%. And the PBV was about 2.1, growing by 11%. At the end of 2012, the share price was 19.4 baht. This grew by 15% in 4 years. And as of March this year, the market cap of Amarin was about 6.5 billion baht. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Amarin Printing and Publishing. Join us again next time for more company highlights with me, Pizza. And now it's clear that the company actually does a lot more than publishing books and magazines. I'm definitely looking forward to watching their new channel. Anyway, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!